Well, yep, today we're gonna try and diagnose whatever has been going on with the X5 and see if we can take care of it. It's like misfiring a little bit, it's throwing a code for injector number 6, so um, yeah, from what I've seen, or from what I've read online and stuff, I've gathered that pretty much it could just be the electrical connections corroded. So gonna dive in, take a look, clean it out, and go from there. Yeah, she ran great all the way out from Florida. Did sputter a couple times, but I made it all the way back up to Michigan, so it's still running and driving fine. The injector's working, so I don't think it's a problem with the injector. I'm really leaning toward this electrical connection. Um, so yeah, fingers crossed, and we'll see what we find today. Alright, you guys, so I got the airbox and foam and cover and all the other crap off. And So what they say happens is water runs from this gutter down here and drips and gets down. So we have injector 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And injector number 6 is where I've been getting my codes. But just looking at the fuel lines, look at the fuel line for injector 5. It's so rusty and crusted up. 6 looks nice and clean. Again, I'm having an electrical issue, not that. But I'm also wondering, the first 4 injectors have these orange marks on them, and the last 2 don't. I don't know if they've been replaced, rebuilt, whether it's these 4, those, I don't know. So if you guys know or have any ideas, let me know. Now I'm just curious, I don't know if I can get the actual plug out, because the electrical plug is under the fuel line down in here. Like, I don't want to take this manifold off. So I pulled the plug out, and you can tell everywhere around there's been all wet. The injectors are a little bit rusted. This fuel line for injector 5s probably needs to be replaced. But inside the actual connection's like clean, like super clean. And just, I don't know. We'll see. Got it plugged back in. It's good. It's connected. And yeah, this is how whoever was the last person to put the foam in, this is how it has been resting back there. It's all ripped here. This is like all melted. This is where all this rusted up injector 5's been on here, and there's like a hole through here. That was like a puncture or something. And look, it's ripped right there too. So that's just letting all that water in. I don't know why this is so... If it's getting too hot, like, could this be like melting? Do you think I'm having a issue there? Or was there an issue there previously? You guys see that? This is where the fuel line touching, and then this is all hard and crusted, and it's like there's residue and it's all crusty in there too. I'm gonna try to put this on separately the right way. Well, yeah, I don't know if you guys were really able to tell or not, but I took the electrical connection off and it was definitely dry in there. There was no corrosion, nothing like that. I did try and brush it out a little bit just to make sure it was clean. And yeah, put it all back together, and the truck's still misfiring a little bit, and yeah, so I think the problem is a little bit deeper than just the electrical connection being corroded. It definitely is from water getting down there. I think it's just ruined the injector. I'm getting codes for number 6. Number 5 physically looks in worse shape than number 5. So I think both of those would probably need to be replaced at least. But let me know what you guys think about the orange dots on top of the first 4 injectors versus 5 and 6 not having those little orange dots in it. I don't know what that means, or if that has anything to do with anything, or if some of them have been replaced, but yeah, if you guys know, let me know. But yeah, I think that's it. I don't know. There's some things that I'm comfortable with doing myself, but as far as like replacing fuel injectors, I'm not sure if that's something I would like to do personally. So I don't know, I don't know, it's tough. I don't exactly know what my next move's gonna be from here. I have shopped around online for some injectors. I have found a couple pretty good deals, but just so expensive, and just trying to find a shop, I don't know. So yeah, we'll see what happens next from here, or if you guys have any tips, tricks, or ideas, or know of anyone or anything. I don't know, anything, just let me know. Feel free, shoot me a comment, leave a comment below, send me a DM on Instagram. Yeah, but alright, well, yeah, so yeah, thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.